Hey everybody, it's Neil and I have this string mop I want to show you guys. Let me open this up and I'll show you guys what it looks like. I like the cover of it. It looks like a carnival almost. But it looks like it's by Eyliden, Eyliden. And let's check it all out. So this is some kind of Velcro something. Comes with a lot of those. Comes with, wow, they really pack it in there. So here is the mop. Okay, so everything's out of the box. And so I'm going to assume we screw it all together. This is, so there's one section, two sections. We are getting a longer pull from this. And then here's the handle. There we go. So now we have the pole. And then it looks like it comes with two mop heads. And these mops are the nice, good string ones that are, oof, needs to be washed first, I think, because it's very dusty. But you get the idea. It's a nice string mop with the strings just normally as they would be. And then we have this, which is going to, what is this for? Let's see what the instructions say. It goes on the top here, so it'll go over this. Okay, so we have that, and then we screw that into here. There we go. So now I have it screwed on to my thing here, and I think this is just going to be an extra little scrubber. So if I'm mopping something and I have a little piece of gunk on the ground, I can kind of use that to scrub it because it's like scrubby stuff. I don't know if you can see there. See, it's a little bit rougher than normal. So then you can do that. So you can be mopping and then do that. I don't have a mop bucket at the moment, so I'm gonna have to get one of those before I really mess with this. It'll just make everything sopping wet at the moment. But you get the idea. So this is a nice little string mop and a nice good pole. So very good thing to have, especially with a wood floor like this. I'll be able to clean up my spills nice and quick once I get my bucket. So very cool. So I like this mop here, and I can even do the there where I pretend I'm a weirdo. So there we go. Thumbs up. I like it.